Buonasera and welcome to Lisa's Italian Kitchen. Tonight we're doing another simple, delicious, quick and easy pasta sauce using seasonal vegetables. There are so many beautiful, sweet red peppers available at the farmers markets this time of year. So what did I do? I made my red pepper aioli sauce for pasta. Here I have what you saw earlier, which was my 6 roasted red peppers, 8 cloves of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, crushed red pepper, and salt. That's it. And here I have 1 pound of cooked cavatappi, which I've tossed with a little bit of olive oil. And we're just going to pour this over. This also, if you make a little extra like I like to do and keep it, it's excellent on crostini, that's toasted bread for appetizers. Absolutely delicious. It's also very good on Italian bread for a panino or an Italian sandwich. Very good with cheeses and sliced meats. This is a very, very versatile sauce. And I've picked some fresh basil from my garden. Absolutely delicious. Brings out the taste of the red peppers if you just want to tear it. So this is a delicious, versatile dish for summer, literally ready in 15 minutes. Absolutely delicious. A little Parmigiano Reggiano, if you'd like. Adds a buttery, nutty flavor. So yummy. Fresh. See, there's nothing like using the seasonal vegetables to really take advantage of the vegetables in each time of year. Mmm. Delicious. Bitey from the fresh garlic, creamy from the roasted red peppers that have been blended and pureed with the extra virgin olive oil. Just the right kick from the crushed red pepper. Absolutely perfect for a summer evening eating al fresco. Buon appetito! Tutti a tavola! Ciao ciao!